Hello viewers, Apple has released iPadOS 26.4 a couple of days ago and I have updated to the latest version, as you can see here, 26.4. But many people actually eagerly waiting for the review video of iPadOS 26.4. Some users who have already updated to the latest versions are reporting that they are facing lag and heating issue. But in my case, I didn't encounter any kind of heating issue. As you can see here, the storage scenario. Now let me show you the battery capacity, the battery backup that I am getting after updating to the latest version. As you can see here, I have charged up to 100% on Wednesday, and now you can see today is Monday. I have extensively used this iPad without charging. On Wednesday, as you can see here, I got around 1 hour 14 minutes. Then on Thursday, I got 2 hours 1 minute. After that, I did not use the tablet for 2 days, and then I got 42 minutes yesterday, and today I have used it for 3 hours and 6 minutes. So total I got 7 hours plus SOT plus 23% battery is left. So you can expect an SOT of 8 hours plus. But if you use this iPad for a couple of days, you will get around 9 hours plus SOT. Then I tried to edit a video on this iPad, and I can see that editing is also very smooth as it was before. As you can see here, I will select only 3 clips and show you the timeline. It is very fluid. As you can see here, these footages are taken in 4K 60 FPS from iPhone 17. You can easily render 4K 60 FPS videos with ease. So after this update, there is no lag or stutter in the editing app that I can say, as you can see here. After that, I checked the screen quality and screen flickering issue. Many users are asking me whether there is any screen flickering issue after this update. So I must tell you that there is no problem whatsoever in terms of screen quality. You can enjoy your multimedia content with ease, and the display is as vibrant as it was before the update. After that, I checked the fluidity of the screen, and as you can see here, there is no lag or stutter. In spite of being a 60 Hz display, you will not feel any kind of delay or latency issue. I think it is as smooth as it was before, and iPad animation is very smooth, as you can see here. So in the conclusion, should you upgrade to the latest version or not? If your iPad is under warranty, in that case you can definitely upgrade to the latest version. But if you are using an old version and you are having no issue like battery drainage issue, heating issue, or any kind of issue, in that case no need to upgrade to the latest version. You are not going to get any new features after this update. Most of the bug fixes are inherent, so you cannot feel. Now you have to decide whether you want the latest update or not. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are updating to the latest version or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.